CoConstruct is one of the most powerful tools for builders looking to streamline their business and enhance project management, and today we're diving into the most powerful features that make it stand out. Whether you're handling multiple projects or trying to get your estimates just right, CoConstruct has something that can take your business to the next level. Stick with me till the end, and I'll share how you can access this software completely free with exclusive bonuses. First up, the ability to create custom project templates is a game changer. With CoConstruct, you can set up templates that match your workflow, whether it's a specific type of project or a specific client need. This feature lets you start projects without reinventing the wheel each time. It helps save time and ensures consistency across all your builds. Next thing, CoConstruct's integrated budgeting tool is a must-have for builders looking to stay on top of their finances. You can create a detailed budget for each project, track expenses in real time, and make adjustments as necessary. It even integrates with QuickBooks, allowing for easy accounting without the headache of double entry. This gives you full control over your project's financials and helps you avoid surprises along the way. The third thing is CoConstruct's scheduling and task management features. One of the biggest headaches in construction is keeping projects on track, and CoConstruct simplifies that with a customizable schedule. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. It's all in one place, making it much easier to see where things stand without flipping between multiple tools. The fourth thing is client communication. CoConstruct includes a built-in messaging system that helps you stay connected with your clients. You can share updates, change orders, and even send invoices directly through the platform. This centralizes all your communication, reducing the chance of important messages getting lost or buried in email chains. Next thing, CoConstruct's mobile app is a huge benefit for builders who are always on the go. With the app, you can manage projects, track budgets, update schedules, and communicate with clients directly from the job site. You don't have to wait until you're back in the office to update the progress. It's all at your fingertips, which means you can make decisions faster and more efficiently. The sixth thing is the powerful reporting and analytics that CoConstruct provides. You can get detailed reports on everything from project budgets to timelines and client satisfaction. These insights help you improve your processes over time and make data-driven decisions that keep your business growing. Now, here's the real kicker. CoConstruct lets you offer your clients a more seamless experience by integrating them into the process. With features like client portals, your clients can view updates, approve change orders, and make payments directly through the software. This improves transparency and reduces the back and forth, making your work more efficient and your clients more satisfied. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can access CoConstruct for free through the first link below, with exclusive bonuses available for those who sign up. This is your chance to test out the software and see how it can transform your building business. If you've been searching for the best project management tool for builders, CoConstruct might be exactly what you need. Don't forget to take advantage of that extended free trial through the link in the description and start streamlining your projects today.